In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this always on video camera. This is a security camera. It's a 2K wireless security camera from the company. I think that's Obligz. I guess that's what it is. And just going over the box here, you know, inside the box, you get a camera, a solar panel, a screw pack sticker, warning sticker, which is that, a user manual, and a Type-C charger. And you could see the overall look of it here. It is a day and night camera, 65-foot night vision with auto tracking. So it will do auto tracking. And this one actually rotates. So let me show you what the camera is. I've already unboxed it and got it all set up here. And you will need to download an app. It's called Cloud Edge. You will need a micro SD card. It is not that mine didn't come with one, a micro SD card, but you know what? These things are very inexpensive. Several types of settings. All of this is done in the app. I will go over that in the app here in a minute. But right now, what I'm going to do a quick install, set it up, and then I'll come back and I'll show y'all exactly what I had to do and how I set it up and how easy this thing was to set up. All I'm going to do is screw this into the side of the house, and then I'm going to run my solar panel, set my solar panel up, and then run the solar panel to the camera. So technically, once you set this thing up, it's good forever. You never have to mess with it again. Then you can just check the app and then find out. You will need to set it up on your Wi-Fi network. I've got a 5G and a 2.4G network. I don't see which one it actually sets on. Most of these are 2.4 gig setups on these things, but that's never been an issue to me. Let me take it outside, set this thing up, put all my stickers up, get it ready, because I think this thing's going to be awesome. Look at that rotation feature. By the way, this has audio in and out, so you can talk to people through here. You'll be like, hey, what are you doing here? Built-in battery, don't pierce. So there's a battery built in right there. So yeah, let's get this thing set up and let's test it out. I just installed it here. You see how I did it? I ran it on the side of my house right here. I ran the wire up under there. It comes down and I have the solar panel mounted right there under the flag. That way the sun comes over right here and it gets max sunshine. It is already charging. Let me pull the app up and I'm gonna show y'all real quick how this thing looks. Right here, front house camera. Right there's front house camera. When I click on it, I'll show you what it does. So it, by the way, it hooks to 2.4 gigahertz. It does not work on a 5G, but you see, oh, now it's intercom down. That picks up sound also. You've got snapshot. So if I want to take a quick picture, watch this. I just took a picture of the front yard there. And then here's the cool thing. It actually, if I want to move it around, I can move this camera around. Watch this. See how I'm moving it? Look how responsive it is too. Watch it in the background. As soon as I hit the button, look at that. It's already going all the way around. You can see me right there. And what I've done, I've set a safe, there's an area you can set up on here, which is really cool. Look, I just got an alert message. It just alerted me that there is detection, motion detecting, which it just detected me. So if I walk down through the yard right there, it actually picks me up. See how I have it set up? You can hit the record and do a manual record, and then on the alerts, see how it just had a humanoid detection just a few minutes ago? That was me. There's a cloud storage. There's a different type of cloud storage. I've already got some on the cloud storage. Now I've got it on standard definition. I will go, but I can go in high definition there if I want, and it seems to still work just fine in high definition. It's a little slower on its responsiveness, but it is crystal clear, everybody. Let me walk down. Actually, I'll overlay some footage of walking down through the yard, and I'll show you this camera in action, and I'll save the video, and I'll actually post the video up in the corner there where you can see how far down it goes, because that's probably 100 feet down to my mailbox, and this thing is recording great. I am very impressed with this camera, everybody. You can see there's an intercom right here. So if I want to hold, I think you can hear a little bit of the intercom. So that's the intercom through that. We'll turn that off. And then over here is a siren. Watch when I hit the siren. That's going through the camera right now. Turn that off. Off. Sirens off, warning lights, full color night mode. I have mine in full color night mode, but you can do black and white vision and in television. Now there's a thing on here, what I like about this also, you can set it up to do motion detection. There's a motion detection alert that comes down, motion tracking, and then recording management, where it gives me my full capacity of my recording there. I've got mine in the power mode. You can have it in performance mode, some customs. There's a lot of different types of setups in here. You can have the alerts. I have it where it sends me a text message when somebody walks across my yard. It doesn't pick up the road because I've adjusted the actual settings where it can only go out, and that is a very handy feature to have, everybody. I'm really impressed with this camera. I think this is one of the better kind of cameras out there at a very affordable cost. Look at it. Let's see if it picks up. Oh, it just picked up my camera here. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the motion sensing, solar powered remote camera. See you all in the next video.